how to use Capcut templates on PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access and use Capcut templates on PC. So let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is come onto Capcut.com. When you are on here, we will be able to actually access Capcut. So there's two ways on how we can go about this. We can either download it for Windows down here, or we can edit videos online. So if you didn't want to download something on your PC and you'd rather just use it in the browser, you can go ahead and click edit video here. And then here's where we can actually get started in editing our videos. However, we want to add a template first. So what you're going to want to do is go in the top left corner, and here it says templates, and then it might not say that if you're seeing that a bit later, but at the moment it does. So click on that, and then here's where we can actually start importing our templates. So we can either click on trending here and see all the trending templates currently, or we can click on any of these other options, or if you have a template in mind, we can also search it. So if we had some sort of meme in mind, we can just search it in here, and then in a second, here we go, we can see all these different meme templates. So let's just say we wanted this one of Hasbulla. We can click on it to get a bit more information about it. Shows us similar templates down here. We can see who posted it, the aspect ratio. So when we have chosen a template and we are ready to use it, we want to just click on this use this template button. And then you will have to log into your account. And then once you are logged in, here we can just replace it with our own media, as you can see down there. So we can click this replace button, and then we can replace this green box back here with an image of our own. And then when you are ready to actually export this, you can go ahead and click export in the top right corner. And then you can choose your resolution. And there's also some advanced settings down here, but if you're not too fussed, you can just leave that how it is and click export. And then after you've done that, your video will have been exported. So that is exactly how you can use Capcut templates on PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.